Good, we were able to create a line graph using this code, and I hope you played around with this code a little bit and got familiar with it. Now, you see here that we got two lists as output. In this lecture, I'll teach you how to use CSV files to feed your Bokeh graphs. And I'll use this code as a reference, so I'm just going to, you need to press escape. And when you press escape, you can apply shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts, to your cells. And you can see a list of shortcuts in here, keyboard shortcuts. And for instance, what I want to do now is I want to copy a cell with C, and then I want to paste it. I want to paste the cell below with V. But first of all, you need to be in command mode. So to go into command mode, you need to press escape, as the help script says. And yeah, make sure escape and then C and then V, and you get another cell in here. Also, I'd like to actually remove this header here, and go to view, toggle header, and then toggle toolbar as well, so that I have more space for you here. So this is the code I'll be working with. Enter, and yep, I'll be working in this code for now. And let me go here. This is a working directory. I'll just go ahead and create a CSV file. Let's say data.csv. Yes, and I'm just going to edit it with Notepad. You can use Excel if you like. So I'll just have two columns here. That is the header, and then 1 for X, 6 for Y, 2 and 7 and 3 and 8 and 4 and 9 and one more, 10. Save that, close it. So note that data.csv is in the same directory with basic graph.ipynb, and go to your script. Now we are importing Bokeh here, but I'll be importing Pandas as well, so let's mention this here. And Pandas, let me use a lowercase b, and import Pandas. Yep, prepare some data. So I assume you know Pandas. So basically the data frame is the main object, and you want to create a data frame from the CSV file, which is data.csv, just like that. And then let's create two variables here. So the x variable will be equal to df square brackets the x column. So don't confuse the x column with the x variable, they just happen to have the same name. Okay, and also the y array, df y. Okay, and yep, that should do it. Let me rename this from CSV. Execute, and you get exactly the same line as we did earlier with the plain lists in here. And yeah, that's basically how you feed your Bokeh plots with Pandas data frame arrays. So again, just for the sake of clarifying things, this is the data frame. It has two columns, and you have the x column then. So that was stored. Actually, this is the index column, this one here. This is the actual data of that column, and you also have the y column there. So that's it. As you see, Bokeh is able to read plain lists, so Python lists as this one here, and also data frame array series. So this is called a series. You can check that. Yeah, a series. And yeah, that's it. DD to delete a cell, and yeah, we'll move on with some more lectures there. See you.